Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about how to manually flag data in Microsoft Excel. It's a very useful tool if you need to actually use your human eyes to scroll through a document, but you want to flag certain things as you're going through, as opposed to using macros or another Excel-based sort of automatic function to flag data. I'll show you the method that really works best for me, which is a coloring option. The method is going to be using the formatting painter, and actually it's more than color. You could pretty much do any format that you put into one cell, you can copy into other cells. So let's say I like any grades that are, I don't know, 89 and up, and so let's take this 89 and I'm going to add the yellow highlight to it, yellow background. So now if I double click on the format painter, it'll allow me to select numerous other cells, and I can go and just spot check around anything that's higher than 89, etc. You can go on. So I mean, that's basically it. You can also make the text bold if you'd like to, add borders, things like that. Pretty much any format that you put in there can be copied over, and that way you can spot check through your document and add flags where you'd like. That's how to use the format painter to do spot checking in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.